Hi, my name is Cody Hosterman, and I'll be demonstrating the Commvault IntelliSnap technology with a Pure Storage FlashArray to restore a virtual machine. So I have my virtual machine named File Server running on one of my data stores. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. And I mean to actually remove it from inventory, but I accidentally delete it from disk and mindlessly hit yes, deleting the virtual machine. Now, since my virtual machine is protected by Commvault IntelliSnap technology on the FlashArray, I can restore it. So jumping into the Commvault Simpana application, I can navigate to where my virtual machine lies in my subclient. In order to restore the virtual machine, I can right-click on that subclient and go to All Tasks. From there, I can choose Browse and Restore. From here, I can restore all types of different objects. I want to restore the entire virtual machine, so I'm going to keep that selected. You can restore it from a specific time range or the latest one. If you choose a certain time range, it's going to find the latest array-based snapshot in that time range to restore it from. If you choose the latest backup, it's just going to choose the latest one. So we'll choose that. So now I'm going to view the content from that backup. You can see that I have one virtual machine inside of that backup with a variety of files. It's VMDKs, ZMX files, and logs. I'm restoring the entire virtual machine, so all these files will be restored. So I'm going to recover all that's selected. There's a variety of options in here where you can restore in place, you can move it over, you can power it on, you can not power it on. I'm going to generally keep the default selections for the restore operation. This will kick off the restore operation from our snapshot. If we navigate to the Pure Storage FlashArray GUI, we can see some of the operations that are going on the FlashArray. You can see on my recovery proxy ESX host, a volume has been connected. This volume is named CV, and then the serial number of the snapshot is restored from. You can see that also comes from my original source volume. That volume will then be provisioned to my vSphere environment. ESX will resignature it, and Commvault will rename it to a suffix of CX backup plus the job ID and then the archive file ID as well as the COM cell number. You can see that volume has been posted, as you can see the underlying volume name from the FlashArray. Now that snapshot has been recovered, the virtual machine will be registered from that snapshot. You can see that VM is currently registered from my snapshot data store that has been mounted. Files will slowly be moved over from the snapshot data store to the original data store. We want to make sure this VM is recovered to the original location where it was. The new recovered VM has now been registered. You see two VMs are actually registered currently to the vSphere web client as these files get copied over. The file has been copied over. The old placeholder virtual machine has been removed, and the new VM has been powered on and fully recovered. So you can see Windows have booted up inside the VM. The VM has now been fully recovered. The process is now complete inside Simpana. This has been a demonstration of virtual machine restore using the Commvault IntelliSnap technology with a Pure Storage FlashArray. Thanks for watching.